Hi! Oh, this is weird. Okay. I'm going to try to film a video today where I'm actually talking to people. And it's weirding me out because I feel like I'm just sitting in my room talking to myself like a crazy person. Okay. I am going to be playing around with this guy. The 35i Icy Fantasy by Morphe. I'm obsessed with this pastel oil slick going on the front. Be prepared for some pastel puns. They are coming. But let's open this up. I haven't actually like dove into it yet. It's so pretty. This is my first ever Morphe palette. I've been using their brushes for a while and I'm obsessed with them. But I haven't actually bought any of their eyeshadows yet. That's what it looks like. So pretty. I have to admit, I own like 1,000 rainbow palettes and colorful palettes because I'm allergic to neutrals. And this one is so pretty. It's so unique. I'm obsessed. I really can't wait to get into this color, which is named something. We'll find out. All right. I think what I'm going to do is kind of play around with it off camera and then come back and do the other eye together or just by myself. We'll see. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, so I did the one eye and my base off of camera. And as I was doing it, I noticed my hair is slowly getting flatter and flatter. I don't know if anyone else has that problem where you spend forever curling your hair and then it just flattens out. So I wanted to do something a little different. I've been seeing a lot online of people using the blue to purple gradient. It's really pretty. I just wanted to do something a little different. So I kind of did this like, I don't know, rainy day sparkly thing. If at all I seem really weird and awkward, it's just because I'm nervous. This is my first time talking. And if there's any purring, I have cats, so that might be distorting the sound a little bit. So let's do it. I'm gonna start with the Urban Decay Priming Potion. Just putting that on the eye and then working it in. Next up, I'm going to dip into this gray right here. I'm just going to pop that into the crease. I will say the glitter shade is so pretty, but the glitter gets everywhere. But if you like glitter, that's not a problem. Just gonna kind of work that in. And then I'm going to take this guy again. I'm going to dip into this color just to work out any weirdness so I don't have a giant line across my eye. Next, I'm going to mix these two together and put it on the outer corner. I normally do my eyes before my face, so I'm trying to be really careful of fallout. Just kind of blending that in. It's nice and even. Then I'm going to take concealer and just put it in the inner corner, middle of the eye area so that it will hold the glitter. I think the hardest thing for me is making sure they're like even. Alright, now for the glitter, I'm gonna dip into this one. So I tried it with a brush and it didn't show up very well. And then I did it with my finger and holy cow, that is really intense, but I love it. It's sparkly. Who wouldn't love it? Okay, just gonna pat that on to the concealer. And it's a little bit falling down here, transferring to the crease a little bit, but it's glitter. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a gel liner to kind of map out the wing and then go over it with a liquid liner to keep it nice and tight. As I was doing that, I remembered it's so much easier for me to do it on this side of my face than this side of my face. So I don't know why I did this eye off camera, but I'm nervous. That's all I can say. Okay. And then I'm going to dip back into this kind of purpley gray right here and smoke out my lower lash line to connect everything. I'm really excited to play with this more. Like I said, I have a million rainbow palettes, but I feel like if you're afraid of color and you want to dip into color, this is like perfect because they're really like light colors and pretty and forgiving, but I'm not a professional, so what do I know? So you can tell there's like extra sparkle in my inner corner here versus here. This was before the base was put on, so the glitter does have some fallout to it. Okay, time for mascara. I've been using Slightly Obsessed with the Well People mascara. They're a drugstore brand, but they're all natural. No parabens, sulfates, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. Been really good to me, so fun. I promise I'll get better at talking to myself. So I did add a couple little jewels right above my brow, just for some fun. I thought, why not? Give it a little extra sparkle. So I just picked some jewels that gradiated inside to make it look a little different. Alright, so now it's time for the rest of my face. I'll probably just breeze through it, but if you want to know, I'll tell you. I will say, whenever I do my makeup, the back of my hand always ends up looking crazy. I did also get the Pop of Pastel lipsticks by Morphe that are a part of the collection. And I think I'm gonna go on with the purple one. I don't know if it has a name. Mystify. So what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's so soft. It's like butter. Not that I've ever rubbed butter on my lips, but if I did, this is what I think it would feel like. Okay, so that is the look that I've done for today. Playing with the 35i Icy Fantasy palette that I can't seem to remember the name of. I'm really excited to dip into the more colorful colors. But like I said, I thought I would do something a little darker, like a rainy day type thing, just because I've seen a lot of the bright colors and I wanted to show something new. I hope you guys enjoy and watch this video. If not, that's okay. I will just eat ice cream, binge watching Netflix with my cats. Hoping you do. Alright, have a great one.